Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG dishwasher mounting screw cover. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new mounting screw cover. The mounting screw cover covers up the side mount for the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. There's two mounting screw covers. They're both changed out the same way. They're located on each side, right on the frame right here. All you have to do is take a small flathead screwdriver, get underneath it and pop it out. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old mounting screw cover next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new one in, all you have to do is line it up and snap it into the hole. Once you have it pushed in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.